What's going on, guys? It is April 1st and we're transplanting some seeds. Pretty much everything has roots coming out the bottom, which means they're ready to be transplanted. We don't want the root ball to start coming through the bottom and then tear the roots when we transplant. Especially with these seeds, they like their taproot to stay intact and not bothered or broken. Or with the clones, you can kind of mess with the roots a little bit, but these seed stalks really don't like it, especially when they're this young, so you got to be careful with that. But yeah, we're just getting these transplanted. Pretty much everything's about this size. These are the gelati sugar pines. We got 2 Roxannes, the 5Gs, Georgia Pie rainbow belts, RS11 sugar pines, and double OG chems. And everything's putting off its second or third set of leaves, so they should be ready for the soil. Hopefully it's not too hot, but they should be alright. And then we're going to keep them in these pots, which are about 5 gallons, until about May, when the weather gets nice enough to put them outside. And once the weather is above 50, 55 at nighttime, that's when you can put them outside. But yeah, strawberries are in here right now. It's been hailing a lot, so they don't get beat up in here. Got to transplant them, but they like it being warm, so they're doing good. But yeah, I'll show you guys some of the roots to show you what these look like. So this is what the roots look like. Definitely ready to be transplanted. You just have to make sure you don't mess up that root ball too much. But you definitely don't want these seed starts to get root bound and mess up that taproot, so be careful. Well, I'm gonna get back to it. Hopefully everybody's doing good. Peace.